Hey, welcome back to Shane Grunberger. It's obviously winter, as most people may know, and it's a new bike day. Obviously, I've outfitted it with an Evoc bag, a lock, my hard knot bag, and some Spank spoon bar and stem, the 318 and the 800. It's personally been giving me the best umph. It comes with Cake Eater 26 by 4.6 inch tubeless tires that have 60 TPI. Some have studs, some don't. At least for mine, Avid 5 brakes with ball bearing. There we go. I'm pretty sure they're a reservoir brake, but I could be mistaken if they're mechanical. It comes with SRAM crank set. That's the Rocky Mountain MPX. It's their proprietary crank that again uses SRAM chain rings. A Shimano but Sunrace CSM2 with Dior 10-speed derailleur. Close up of the Dior, the newest one. And close up of the CSM2 or CSMS2 SRAM crank. As you see, Sunringle, I'm not sure what it says on the hub, but it's a dual stage 3-pull. There are 2 triple nut accessory mounts on the frame, 1 top tube, and 1 fork mount. 2. It comes with Sunringle Millfoot 80s, if you can see it. Which, as you can see, are hollowed out, so they weigh as much as your conventional rim as soon as they are tubeless. But I gotta say, a tube definitely holds this thing back. Well, now you may be saying, why Shane, why a fat bike? Well, I really still enjoy my cardio, especially if it's cycling. Snow drifts are a different thing to me than like your traditional mountain biking. But in essence, it's just to get out there, have fun, love life. What do I think about the Blizzard? It's overtly oversteery in the deep snow. It climbs well, though doesn't have a very high top speed. It's only a 26 tooth on there, which is basically your slow speed you can get. Its rims are really held back by the tubes that they put in them, so if you get it, I recommend you put it tubeless. And make sure studs, because ice ain't too friendly. But on the ice, it's overtly fast, it's overtly smooth. A little bit of jiggle over here and there, but not too bad. Shane Grunberg, out.